Welcome back to another video. Today I just want to do a quick little video. I'm going to do some spark plugs on the Jaguar. It seems to be running a little rough once it gets up to temperature. It's probably an intake manifold leak if I had to guess. The guy that sold it to me said he had put a new distributor on it and new spark plugs. But he also said he put new tires on it. And these are the tires off of that thing. And these are from like 2016. So, yeah, I'm not going to believe that it has brand new spark plugs in it. So we're just going to pull one out and test for ourselves. And this looks amazing. Maybe we'll mess with that and get that proper before it burns the car down. Pulled the first plug out and it's pretty good, so we're going to not do the plugs then. I'm just going to throw this one back in there and call it. I'm going to check for vacuum leaks and see if I can find anything out of the ordinary. I also want to do a little testing and see if I can get the AC compressor to work on this thing, because it does not have air conditioning, and that sucks because it's like 80-90 degree days now, and I don't like that. And I'm going to adjust my idle because it seems too low. It wants to idle around like 600, and I would rather it be idling at like 850 to 900, or I'd be even fine with 1,000 to be honest. So I'm going to turn the idle up. I'm pretty sure it's just this adjustment here. It's a 7/30 seconds Allen. So we're going to start the car up and see if I can adjust the idle with that. Alright, so now we've got the car running. Let's turn this and see. Yeah, that's definitely setting my idle, so let's see what that's at. I think I can go a little higher. It might be just a cunt hair too high. Let's go a little bit back down. Yeah, that's pretty good. So my oil pressure looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Now I want to kind of look at this air conditioner and see if I can see anything. I personally think the engine likes being a little bit higher anyway. Please don't mind my radio. I need to fix this as well. Oh, now it's doing something. On defrost. Okay, now these vents are starting to blow. Starting to blow some real hot air. Almost like the heat's on. It's definitely on the cold. So let's see the compressor's run. Can't see it, but it is definitely not running. So let's figure out what's going on there. Oh, that's really nice. Alright, so after hooking my gauges up, just to read, just to read them, they're actually pretty equal, but they are just so far off. When I jump off the AC compressor, the AC compressor kicks over and it's functioning, but there's no freon in the system. Alright, so I got all this put back together, somewhat better than how it was when the previous guy sold it to me. This all fits up in here nice now, and the radio's down inside the actual cubby like it should be. This covers the bezels on. This bezel's not quite fitting in there the way it's supposed to. You can see the gaps right down here. So I'll have to do more finagling. This piece might have like stretched or shrunk, or I don't know. It is real wood, it's just like laid on a metal background or something. So I might have to mess with that. I do want to get this freaking headliner piece fixed here because this like sags so bad. And I'm not sure, I'm going to touch it with my dirty hands. I'm not sure what's making it sag so bad. So I'm going to take that apart and see if I can get that clip up in there. Alright, so I pulled this down and I found out both of the visor clips are just completely broken and gone. So I just stuck some big flat washers up there for now to at least keep any further damage from happening to the headliner. And now it seems to be holding it all up pretty good, so it's out of the way of the mirror. And really the visor clips are just kind of unnecessary because it seems to still work fine without them. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna end this one on the Jaguar. I got a bunch of stuff fixed. I got the radio fixed, I got the headliner fixed. All the AC controls look better. I now have peace of mind knowing the spark plugs are actually good. I'll just have to do a little further diagnosing into it's probably the intake manifold that's leaking if I had to guess, but this might be the last time you see the Jaguar in a video for a while. I am driving it to work currently. I mean, it's such a good looking car. I can't help but drive it.